If you are like some of us, you probably have gazed and marveled at the stunning spectacle of bright shooting stars falling on Earth from the skies. It is an undeniably fascinating thought to imagine such humongous celestial bodies falling on such a minute planet. The stars, like we discussed in our recent video, tend to be larger than our Sun, but in comparison to the size of the planets, our Sun could accommodate more than 1 million Earth in it. In a different view, it would take approximately 2 million Pacific Oceans to fill the Sun's volume. Based on the comparison of sizes, here you already get the hint of the obvious nature of what is commonly known as the shooting stars. Therefore, are shooting stars really stars? As you guessed, they are not, for shooting stars are small like rock objects known as meteors, which from time to time enters into the Earth's atmosphere. They sporadically appear on the Earth's atmosphere from different angles and directions, every single hour. It is estimated that meteors are as small as the size of a pencil or even smaller. You may also wonder, what makes these tiny rocks bright like the stars? We who are on the surface of the Earth are fortunate to catch a glimpse of falling stars at the expense of broken parts of comets and planets. These debris streaks into the Earth's atmosphere, and with the aid of friction with air and other particles they become brighter and visible to most people. This friction added to their speed, which could range from 36,000 to 236,000 miles per second, is another factor that makes them very visible and hot. Friction makes the rocks hot and super brighter as they dazzle across the sky. Some meteors are too small, and simply melt away after friction, into gaseous forms, leaving behind a super bright trail, hence the name shooting stars. Even more stunning a spectacle is experienced by viewers when there is an occurrence of showers of shooting stars. Common meteors like mentioned earlier can appear anytime during the night sky, streaking from different directions. Uncommon to these are the Perseid showers, which is a spectacular performance offered by some kind of meteors that are faster, and ensure from the same fountain of the Perseus constellation, where they derive their name. These fly into the Earth's atmosphere several times in a year at an altitude ranging from 50 to 75 miles. The showers of falling stars can be observed more clearly in some regions of the Earth than others. Places such as Atacama Desert, Tuscany, Italy, Namib Desert, and Australian Outback, just to mention a few, are some of the best vicinities where families and friends could gather to enjoy the cosmic show offered by the shooting stars. Besides these peak places, one can still enjoy this cosmic show by choosing the darkest spot accessible to them, with no tall trees or buildings to deter their view. Meteors sometimes manage to arrive at the surface of the Earth, and you might be fortunate to stumble upon one. They may look like other rocks, but you may identify them because they are dense and tend to be magnetic. However, to clearly identify them, one would need to analyze their chemical compositions in detail. The thought of shooting stars brings into mind another magical event, which we are too familiar with, namely, fireworks. Fireworks like shooting stars offers audiences a fantastic view during the night. It is undeniably one of the spectacular human inventions that offers a magical touch to the viewers. Various countries and especially in the West use firecrackers, and with the help of the night sky, are maximized to brighten a day of celebration with amazing colors. Unlike shooting stars which showers from above, fireworks are usually projected towards the sky. Both fireworks and shooting stars in this respect share a common arena, that is, the space above the Earth's surface. In summary, shooting stars offers humans and animals a wonderful spectacle to gaze upon, even though they are not stars, but remnants of comets and other celestial bodies. These are the wonderful works of an ingenious creator. Fireworks, on the other hand, are a fantastic human invention which resembles shooting stars. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future explorations.